Welcome. If you want to boost your privacy and keep your conversations secure, setting a passcode on your Telegram app is a smart move. In this quick guide, you'll learn exactly how to turn on the passcode feature in Telegram step by step, so your chats stay protected from prying eyes. First, grab your phone and open the Telegram app. Once you're inside, look to the top left corner of your screen. Here, you'll see either the menu icon, those three horizontal lines, or your profile picture depending on your device. Go ahead and tap it. A sidebar menu will slide out. From here, scroll down and tap on Settings. This will take you to a new screen with several options. Next, find and select Privacy and Security. This is where all your privacy controls are located. Now scroll down until you see Passcode Lock. Tap on it. You'll be taken to a screen where you can enable the passcode feature. Tap on Enable Passcode to get started. Telegram will now prompt you to enter a new passcode. Choose a code that's easy for you to remember but hard for others to guess. Enter your new passcode, and then you'll be asked to confirm it by typing it in again. That's it. Your Telegram app is now protected with a passcode. From now on, every time you open the app, you'll need to enter your code before you can access your chats. For even more security, you can explore additional options like auto lock and biometric unlock if your device supports it. If you ever want to change or disable your passcode, just return to the same Passcode Lock section in your settings. Remember, if you forget your passcode, you may need to reinstall the app, and some secret chats could be lost, so keep your code safe. Securing your Telegram account takes just a minute, but it gives you peace of mind knowing your messages are for your eyes only. Thanks for watching, and stay safe online.